Hey guys, Kevin Swaney here from Tin Indian Performance. Just a quick little reminder here about oil galley plugs. As you can see, this one here is pretty hard to miss in the back of the block as it sticks out quite a bit. This other one over here, down inside the block, is easy to overlook. You would be surprised at how many guys miss this one. You definitely want to remember to install this galley plug. We sell a drilled passenger side lifter galley plug, as you can see here. This helps to mist oil on the distributor gear as well as the cam gear. This big hole is where the cam resides. The distributor is visible in the small hole where you can now see the plug. All right, guys, that wraps up this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.